Hello judges, I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Chris. Together we're part of Team Spooks.
We bring together Bird's innovation, Talis' scale and the mod's mission focus.
And today we're here to show you how we've turned forgotten lessons into future-proof intelligence.
Across the MOD, gateway reviews are full of wisdom. Lessons are identified but rarely learnt.
Important insights stay buried in PDFs, hidden from people who need them most. The result? Repeated mistakes and wasted effort. Our goal was to move from a static documents to living intelligence system, one that actually helps people to learn faster.
We've built it entirely inside Microsoft 365 ecosystem. No new software, no new cyber risk, just better use of what's already there. It starts with a simple upload, a gateway review dropped into a Microsoft form.
Power Automate then takes over. It extracts the text, identifies lessons, tags them by theme, procurement, governance, delivery or resourcing, and prompts the user to confirm.
From there, the data flows into Power BI and our Copilot assistant creates one secure living system.
The language model works quietly, offering help only when it adds value.
The prompts sound natural. I found 12 potential lessons. Keep or refine. Or contains a supplier name, mark as restricted or confidential.
It's gentle guidance that supports everyone, especially neurodivergent colleagues who prefer clear, structured steps.
Now imagine 4 users. A project manager uploading a review, an insurance reviewer validating lessons, a portfolio lead spotting systemic issues, and a supplier partner seeing anonymised insights under NDA.
One system, 4 perspectives, connected by secure learning, not red tape. Security was our non-negotiable. We've built 2-tier model, restricted for supply chain, confidential for the MOD.
Each lesson gets a quick human validation. Are you sure this should be shared?
And in phase 4, we'll introduce an AI classifier that spots sensitive text before it ever leaves the secure domain.
Let's talk results. £0 on new software, 40% faster access to lessons, and 25% fewer repeated risks.
And proof that this works, at Hinkley Point C we implemented similar principles, replacing a full-time role and improving efficiency by 83% in 3 weeks.
That's what we mean by frictionless delivery and real return on investment. Now, let's talk about accessibility. We know users come from different levels of digital literacy, from seasoned AI prompters to those who are just starting out.
Exactly, and that's why we've built our solution on familiar Microsoft platforms and designed simplified prompting models. No steep learning curve, just intuitive tools that work.
And we've gone further to support neurodiversity in the workplace. Our Power BI dashboard uses accessible colour schemes, making it easier for users with dyslexia or colour vision differences.
Plus, for users with ADHD or similar needs, we've created an alternative prompting tool. Instead of free text, it offers a structured question and answer format.
Does storing and surfacing all lessons indefinitely risk ossifying old ideas or mistakes? Should there be an ethical expiry date on institutional memory?
We've thought carefully about the ethics of retaining knowledge indefinitely. We absolutely agree that institutional memories should evolve, not fossilise. In our system, lessons aren't stored forever by default. They're living records. Each carries metadata for when it was created, when it was last validated, and how relevant it remains. As projects, policies, and processes change, older lessons naturally lose visibility until revalidated. That's our built-in ethical expiry date, learning that ages gracefully.
If rolled out organisation-wide, how would your solution handle scaling across hundreds of reports and teams?
We built the Lessons Intelligence System entirely inside the Microsoft 365 ecosystem because scale is already baked in. The MOD environment already supports millions of documents and our solution rides that existing infrastructure. SharePoint handles the secure storage, Power Automate processes the ingestion automatically, and Power BI visualizes the results. So whether it's 10 reports or 10,000, the experience and security model can stay consistent. No new infrastructure, no extra cost, and no added risk.
In what ways could lessons be operationalised, linked, assigned, or tracked to ensure they lead to measurable improvements?
We want lessons to change behaviour, not just sit in a database. In LIS, every lesson can be linked directly to an action, owner, or gateway template so that it becomes part of delivery, not hindsight. And we can track that. Power BI dashboards show where lessons are reused, referenced, or closed out. It gives the MOD a measurable feedback loop so you can actually see where lessons are being applied and how they're improving outcomes across projects.